You can put it up to her face. Don't tease her. You're gonna regret it. You can just like hand it to her. It's fine. Yeah. It's okay. Even if she nips you with her teeth, it's not too bad. Ah!
You were saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, usually not too bad. As long as she doesn't use her claws. Come on, diabetic cat. How much corn have you eaten today?
Too much, too much.
I wonder how many calories like each kernel of corn has. Is one kernel 1 calorie? Ow. And how many calories does a cat normally take in per day? Don't put it on me. It's a good thing that Dee Dee's eyesight is not so good. Ouch. Don't put it on my lap, please. Yeah, she's purring. You know what that sound was? The sound of sharp claws. We'll do this experiment. Oh, it fell. I guess, yeah. Sometimes when we throw corn at her, it lands like right on the back of her neck, and then she knows something's there, but she can't get at it.
Okay, it's right there.
It's still on the back of her neck? Oh, okay. Come on, Dee Dee. Where's the corn, Dee Dee? Where's the corn? Did you just invert it? Try not to invert the video. It makes people like nauseous. Not quite like a VR experience, but still very jarring. Okay. We'll each give you one more piece of corn, okay? And then that's it. No more corn for you today, Deed. No more corn for you. Dee Dee.
It's a taking toy, Dee Dee.
Yeah, we have to be very careful with our corn after it's cooked. Before it's cooked, she shows like absolutely no interest in the corn. But once it's cooked, you know, she's very interested. And if we just leave corn on the cob, you know, on the table, she ends up like, you know, just like biting into it right on the cob and makes a mess of things, sort of like claiming the
Corn has mine.
and the entire cob for herself after she bites it, because you know we can't really eat it after she's gotten her teeth into it. Okay, last one, Deed.
I really wish I had a long stick to do
one.
this. Can I please have a stick to do this?
Watch out, she might just like bite the corn in your hand right off the cob.
Alright, there.
Okay, thank you for your performance, Dee Dee. Good job. And unlike last time, I did not get scratched. See, that's from our previous
Attempt.
yes, at filming this. Okay, good job, Deed.